Hi, I'm Priya, a co-founder at GetLit, which is India's first gamified reading and writing platform for children. Hope you're all doing well in the safety and comfort of your homes. We are all bound by strange times and circumstances and are trying to make the best of these difficult times. There is also deep gratitude in our heart for all the positive things that we have in our life today. In between all the hectic working from home, working for home, online classes and everything, we all seek to do things that give us comfort, joy and a sense of calm. For me, that's reading and books. At GetLit, we are all about books, stories, writing and the joy that these things give us. And that's exactly what I'm here to do today, to give recommendations for reading for our young friends. I will start with the youngest of the lot, that is the 4 to 7 years age group. My first recommendation is The Silly Story of Bondapulli. This one has been published by Tulika, written by Shamim Padamsee and illustrated by Ashok Rajagopalan, one of our favorites here. So this is how the book looks. This book has been around for a few years and quite a few of you must have read it, and those who have, you will agree that the story and the illustrations never fail to bring out a smile and a chuckle. So the story is about a prince who hates food, imagine that. Until one day the royal cook comes up with something that changes everything and makes this story wonderfully funny. Next up is The Big Bad Bull. So this one is actually by Miss Muchi Books, and this has been written by Karishma Mehbubani and illustrated by Sandhya Prabhat. So this is about Asgul the bull who bullies every creature on the farm. Till one day, a tiny creature decides to stand up to him. What I love about this book is the use of rhymes, and in fact the other books in this series too. They all use rhymes so effectively and children love that. They love to guess and to identify the rhyming words. My third recommendation for this age group is a book called Satya Watch Out. So this one is by Story Weaver and it's written by Yamini Vijayan and illustrated by Vishnu Nair. So this Satya can't stay put at a place, and who better than he than to take us on a journey of movement words. I love the pictures in this book and they actually give you a real sense of motion on the pages. So it's a perfect book to read with a little one and then get into nice set of movements during this lockdown. Moving on to the next age group, that is of the 7 to 10 year olds. My first recommendation is a favorite across generations, and this is The Adventures of Supandi by Tinkle. I'm sure many of you must be feeling nostalgic looking at this. So there's nothing like humor really to lighten heavy times, and these comics featuring Supandi will surely make the entire family laugh out loud. The next one is a recommendation that will definitely have you intrigued. So this is a book called The Dog Who Taught Me Math. So this is another one from Miss Muchi Books, and it has been written by Sonali Shenoy and the pictures are by Tanvi Bhatt. And Parvati, like many kids, struggles with her math homework. Till one day she finds help from a very unlikely quarter, her neighbor's dog Kutti. So along with a lot of interesting maths, there is a heartwarming story tucked in this book. And my third recommendation for this age group is of a genre that many kids enjoy, and that is adventure. So this is something called Reuben's Adventures, and I have cheated here a little because this is a set of 2 books. And this one is about Reuben, who goes to his uncle's farm, and there with his cousin Andrew gets up to all kinds of adventures and makes very curious kind of friends along the way. So if you like adventures and if you like animals, then this book by Lead Start Publishing and written by Ram Haladi is a must read. Now I come to the third and final age group, the 10 to 13 year olds. For my first recommendation, I go back to my favorite genre, and that's humor. This book, Uma Not So Perfect, is by Mango DC Books, and it has been written by Yamini Prashant and illustrated by Soumya Menon. So this is about Uma, who is 11-year-old and who has recently relocated with her family to India from London. And the book takes you through all the new challenges that she faces in her new life. And the author does this adding in dollops of humor, which makes it a great read. And the next recommendation I have for the 10 to 13 year olds is a book that actually straddles the two genres, fiction and non-fiction. So The Circle of Life is a book which has been authored by Tanya Majmudar, and the pictures are by Sushma Durve, and it is a book which has been published by Kalpavriksha. So this book gives you a lot of interesting facts about honeybees, and it tells you through the story of Farah, who is a worker bee. So and it has amazing pictures too, which really makes it very interesting and engaging. The last recommendation that I have for these older kids is actually one on non-fiction, and it is about someone whom all of us admire and would love to know more about. And this is a book, this is actually a graphic book. It's Kalpana Chawla by Amar Chitrakatha. And this one takes us through the life of this astronaut of Indian origin, and I'm sure you will all enjoy reading this book. So those were my recommendations for our young readers. And now your question would be, where can you source these books in these times of lockdown? So fear not, you can head to our platform GetLit, which is an online library with 300 plus ebooks for children. So you can either on your laptop or desktop go to our website www.getlit.co, or you can download the app on an iPad or any Android tablet. So on the platform, the children can read the books, they can write reviews, they can rate the books, they can even win trophies by doing fun book quizzes, and so a lot of exciting activities there for children, and they can even track their progress on the leaderboard. So this is definitely a platform that the children can head to hone and develop their reading habit. So hope you like the recommendations, and do let us know if you want more of these. Until then, thank you and happy reading.